Hey guys, what's going on? It's April here with you from Cheeky, and today I'm here to show you 2 ways you can use our Cheeky syrups and Cheeky juices in your home cocktails. The first way is if you want to be fancy, if you want to maybe up your bartending skills at home, we're going to use a jigger, shaker tins, hawthorn strainer, the works. And the second way is if you're feeling a little bit more chill, if you don't want to kind of bust out all the bar tools, but you do want to enjoy a great cocktail, the second option, the batching option, that one's for you. So stay tuned, let's get started with the first method. Okay, so the first option is really simple. We've got our premium tequila over here on the left. I've got my Cheeky agave syrup as well as my Cheeky 100% freshly squeezed lime juice. And I'm going to use a jigger. This is a measuring device. I'm going to do a ratio of 2 parts spirit to 3/4 parts of the lime juice as well as the agave. So 2 3/4 is the ratio. So this is pretty simple. There's little lines on the inside of the jigger that show me what the measurement is. Now we're going to shake 10 to 15 seconds. Break the seal. Then I'm going to take my hawthorn strainer. And then finally, I've got a garnish. In this case, you normally would put a slit in the wedge or in the lime wheel. In this case, I like what it looks like a little bit better, just kind of to tuck it in. So I'm going to do that. And then there's my delicious margarita. This is a Tommy's margarita, simply 3 ingredients, and you can make it again with your choice of premium tequila, as well as our Cheeky agave syrup and our Cheeky lime juice. Cheers. So this next method I'm going to show you to make delicious craft cocktails at home is using the batching method. So this is a method that bartenders use around the world when they're mixing very large quantities of cocktails, but they're going to be serving them a la carte in smaller glasses. So meaning that I'm incorporating all of my ingredients. In this case, I'm making a penicillin, so blended scotch, honey ginger syrup, and lemon juice. I'm going to be mixing those all into one big container. In this case, I'm using a quart jar. You can use a pitcher as well. I'm going to stir it in here, and then I'm going to serve it in smaller glasses. So again, this is super easy. It's going to take literally seconds to make this cocktail. And one of the really beautiful things about Cheeky syrups and juices is that they pair 1-to-1. So in the bar, you have different ratios between the syrups and the juices, and it makes it very complicated, but we've engineered this so you can batch without issue and without work. So all I'm going to do is add in this entire bottle of scotch, and then add in the honey and the lemon. So look at that, it fits perfectly in one of these ball jars. I'm just going to give it a quick stir. So you don't even have to add ice to this ball jar if you don't want to. You can just add the spirit, the citrus, and the syrup to the jar, seal it up, put it in the fridge. It's going to stay good for probably about a week. I doubt it's going to last that long in your fridge. But yeah, you can just add the ice later. So I just added it like this so it looks nice with the lemon wheels. And then of course I've got some ice in the glass that I'll be serving from as well. Pour that here. And it is so easy, so simple, and super, super, super delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Please let us know if you've got questions, comments, or concerns, and see you next time.